Hi, boys and girls. I have a book that I would like to share with you today. It is called The Bad Seed. And as I read this book to you, I want you to think about how the seed is feeling and if you ever feel the same way that he does. The bad seed. I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. Oh yeah, it's true. The other seeds, they look at me and they say, that seed is so bad. When they think I'm not listening, they mumble, there goes a bad seed. I wonder if you've ever talked about someone like that. If you see them doing something you don't think is right, do you ever tattle on them? Do you ever talk to your friends about that person? But I can hear them. I have good hearing for a seed. How bad am I? You really want to know? Well, I never put things back where they belong. I'm late to everything. I tell long jokes with no punchlines. I never wash my hands or my feet. Ugh. I lie about pointless stuff, and I cut and line every time. Is that something we can do? Some of us like to do that at school. We want to be first in line. What if we were at Disneyland or Legoland and we wanted to ride that ride so bad that we want to cut in line to the first of the line? We can't do that. I stare at everybody. I glare at everybody. I finish everybody's sentences and I never listen. And I do lots of other bad things too. Do you know why? Because I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. I just can't help it. Sure, I wasn't always this bad. I was born a humble seed on a simple sunflower in an unremarkable field. I had a big family, seeds everywhere. We found ways of having fun. We were close. I want you to look at how happy this family seems like they might be. They look like they're having so much fun on that flower. But then the petals dropped and our flower drooped. Look at all these sunflowers falling, sunflower seeds falling down. It's kind of a blur. Oh goodness. Look at this rake coming and trying to rake up all those sunflower seeds. And then what do you notice? Have you ever seen something like this at the grocery store? It says sunflower seeds, delicious. I remember a bag. Everything went dark. And then, can you see him in there? It's so dark and scary in that bag. A giant! Is that really a giant? I think it's a man at a baseball game eating sunflower seeds. Oh no, he's going to get eaten. I thought I was a goner. I thought I was done for. I screamed and I hollered. Ooh, there he is in that man's mouth. Ah! But I was spit out at the last possible second. There he goes. I wonder why he was spit out. Why didn't the man eat him? I flew through the air and I landed under the bleachers with a huge thud. I want you to look. What do you see there? What in the world is that? Looks gross to me. When I woke up, it was dark outside. A wad of gum had softened my fall. Actually, he was kind of lucky with that, even though it does seem pretty gross. I felt okay, but something had changed in me. Remember, before that, he was a nice seed. He was happy with his family. I had become a different seed entirely. I had become a bad seed. It's a little sad. Let's look at his face now. A bad seed. Do you notice? He looks like he's quite banged up. He has maybe a black eye and some Band-Aids. He doesn't feel good about himself now. That's right. I stopped smiling. I kept to myself. I drifted. I was a friend to nobody and bad to everybody. I was lost on purpose and lived inside a soda can. A soda can? I didn't care, and it suited me. Until recently, I've made a big decision. I've decided I don't want to be a bad seed anymore. I'm ready to be happy. It's hard to be good when you're so used to being bad, but I'm trying. I'm taking it one day at a time. If you look here, it looks like he's looking in the mirror. He's looking at himself and deciding, maybe I can be good. Maybe I'm not so bad. Sure, I still forget to listen, and I still show up late, and I still talk during the movies, and I do all kinds of other bad stuff. But I also say thank you, and I say please, and I smile, and I hold doors open for people. Not always, but sometimes. Do you notice his face in these pictures? How has he changed? He doesn't look angry. He doesn't look sad. He doesn't look bad. I think he's much happier now. And even though I still feel bad sometimes, I also feel kind of good. It's sort of a mix. All I can do is keep trying and keep thinking, maybe I'm not such a bad seed after all. So even though he does bad things sometimes, doesn't make him a bad seed. And even though you might do some bad things sometimes, it doesn't make you a bad person. Hey, look, there goes that bad seed. Actually, he's not that bad anymore. I heard that. How do you think our seed feels now? I think he feels much better about himself. So as we think about this book and the bad seed, I want you to think, are there ways that you are sometimes bad and then you feel bad about yourself or feel bad about what you did? You might have times that you try so hard to be good, but it just doesn't always work out. So I want you to think of something you can do today that helps you to be a better person. So you're going to try to do something nice for someone else. Maybe you can help mom or dad or your brother or sister. Help someone at home. Do something nice. You might just say please or thank you. You might help with a chore. Think of something that you can do to help out or to be kind to someone else. I'll see you next time.